to the top?
Up to the very tippy top.
Do you mean like a sky?
Go sit down.
It's called the Sky Tower.
Sky tower? A sky.
It's not really a ride, it's kind of like an observation thing. You can see the whole area. And you probably be able to see the ocean from the top, right?
Okay, we got
Welcome aboard the Seaworld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Welcome aboard the Seaworld Sky Tower. As you take your ride up to a height of 300 feet, we thought it would be helpful to share some SeaWorld tips that might make your day
See the progress
even
of
more
the polar
enjoyable.
glacier thing.
For your own safety, please stay in your seats for the entire ride and no smoking, please.
No smoking.
No smoking or vaping.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 39,000 animals? None of this would be possible without the continued support of our partner agencies, park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them
Oh, I see our
and
car.
returning them to the wild.
Yeah, because there's the exit, so we're 4 down, 3 over. So I count 4, count 3, and I see a great car, and I'm like, hey.
What's going on?
It's called the Sky Tower.
Yeah, you can see the whole park.
It's a water park.
Well, we're just about 300 feet up now, and from here you can see from miles and miles. As the cabin rotates, keep an eye open for a lush, tropical oasis right across the street from SeaWorld. That's Discovery Cove, where you can snorkel with rays and exotic fish, relax on a beautiful beach, and even swim alongside dolphins.
The orchids.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica.
This must be Orlando off to the right. And I wonder if that's like St. Cloud, maybe? That you can see off in the distance? That could be Tampa.
It's the Icon Park over with the Ferris wheels.
Okay. They have a tower too, it looks like. Is that the... No. Having fun hanging out with you guys.
It said it was still open. The big tank where the show normally is empty.
Yeah, that was super fun.
Is that over there?
I don't know. I thought it was the Tower of Terror, but it's not.
We are on a mission
Seems
to
to be a whole
protect
resort.
marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket and each experience helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet.
It's cool.
Are we going back down?
Yeah, that's okay. Well,
Can we go on some more rides?
we're gonna eat something first, and then we're gonna go and walk back in.
Make sure you give me some water too.
To find more information on any of our award-winning events, guided tours, educational programs, or restaurant reservations, visit us online at seaworld.com, download the Seaworld app, or stop by the guest information counter located near the park's front entrance.
Do you think it costs anything
We
for the
hope that
flamingo
you
boats?
have enjoyed your ride aboard the Seaworld Sky Tower. Be sure to check your seats for any belongings and watch your step as you exit the cabin. Thanks for joining us and have a great day here at SeaWorld.
Alright. Ooh, dark. Gracie, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
We ask that